Well, this should be interesting. Oh yeah. There, not even that bad. Doesn't even stick out. Alright guys, we are now at Leo's house. I got the lip. So this lip is different from the last one, guys. I'm not exactly sure the name of it, but nothing special. But it is a different lip. But anyways, this time when I'm installing the lip, I'm gonna take off the bumper and do it nice and right. Make sure this one doesn't have an excuse to scrape off. So yeah, and also guys, I just realized this, but this is gonna be way easier because I guess there's nuts or bolts on the bottom of the bumper, which I don't have. So really all I have, guys, is these Phillips screws up top, and then a 10 on each side, and also a Phillip on the inside of each fender well. So that's not hard at all. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those and take off the bumper, and also give it a wash because it is filthy. So yeah. Alright guys, before we continue, I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in to today's vlog, and also hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys, bro, if there's a baddie you guys are trying to get at, slide in her DMs today, guys, because tomorrow's not promised. Slide in her DMs today, right, Marcel?
Yep.
Just slide in her DMs, guys. Just slide in them.
It's summertime too.
Yep, it's summer. You know what that means, guys. Also, that's one of our buddies over there. But anyways guys, bumper is off. It was, oh my gosh, it was kind of annoying. Mostly because this screw right here was stripped, so it took forever to get out, but it got out. And if you're wondering why he is revving, it's because they're trying to figure out his misfire. So yep, it's litty. Alright guys, so we mocked up the lip. It looks pretty flush. We're just gonna send it and drill in the screws.
Right. Bam!
Hey, how'd you drop it?
Nah, you
one more time.
No more.
One more for the subscribers.
No more.
One more, nah, for the subscribers didn't see.
No more.
Hey, I see that fresh cut though.
No, you don't.
Ooh. Ooh.
Stop.
Alright guys, gotta drill some shit. So I'm gonna put one screw on each of these like little tabs, and then I'm probably gonna put 2 on each side, and that should be
Hey, tell
enough.
him to place my bank account with a fat check.
Who are you talking to?
Jesse, he said a family priest is at his house.
Family? What the? I tell him to tell the priest to bless his fimmet. Alright guys, the lip is now on there. Put a few screws along the bottom and then 2 on each side, and it looks really good. Let's throw her back on. Alright guys, finally put back mostly every single little bolt and all the little screws. Oh, wait, it's not Lola. What? I got another dog?
Yep.
Hey. Finally guys, another lip after maybe like 4 months. 3-4 months. Hey baby. Hey baby. You like the lip? You like the lip? Yeah? Oh hell yeah. Yeah guys, all day she's been biting the mics. It's because it's furry, so she's attracted to it, but she keeps biting that shit. But anyways guys, comment down below. I don't know if you guys remember the old lip, but this is a different lip, so if you guys remember the other lip, comment down below which lip you guys like better. personally, and everybody else so far likes this lip. It's pretty badass. Now I just need a wash. If you look closely, hella marks and dirty. Alright guys, so we got like very little lighting left. So lip is on. I don't even know what's left. What you got in your mouth?
Sushi.
So guys, Marcel was gonna throw on some spindles.
Well, not yet. I want to slap everything new that's on it, but probably this weekend, hopefully. I'm gonna replace the ball joints, new rotors, or at least give a surface, new brake pads.
Ooh,
and then
full works.
Yeah.
Are you still painting your bumpers on the CRV?
Not this weekend, probably next weekend for sure. I got a paint match and shit. I thought I had enough. I was like, ooh.
Also guys, Marcel is looking for a mint CRV hood. And if it's in the same colorway as his, that's even better. But
If not, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna paint it anyway. So
yeah, if not guys, he'll color match it. But yeah guys, his hood is filled with dents just like the one on my Civic. So yeah guys, if any of you guys have an extra CRV hood or know anybody, hit us up. Hit up Marcel, Instagram. You already know the deal. So that's that guys. Marcel is gonna start showing the CRV some more love.
yeah. And you know what this reminds me of?
Oh.
Fucking yo-yos. You walk the dog and shit.
Oh yeah. I remember in the elementary that was the shit.
Hell yeah, I start flinging that.
Can't do this, bro.
You can't walk the dog.
Alright guys, just pulled up to the wash. We're gonna end off the vlog here. Also, our homie Miguel is here. We're gonna wash his shit too. honestly, guys, I would want a hatch. These are so badass. Huh, Leo? EK hatches? They're badass. They're really badass. I like it. I like it a lot. Also, guys, I don't know if you can see the lip, but yeah, that's what it looks like when she's nice and clean. I got hella smudges and streaks. Don't look at that, but yeah, I'm happy. And for sure down the line, I'm gonna pay match you guys, but I was really impatient, so I just threw the lip on there. But I do plan on pay matching it. And when I pay match that, I'm gonna pay match the wing at the same time, so it's gonna look really, really good.